Click here to expand the interface. Landian'S tier number 1 is composed of 6 districts: Sports and Gaming, Lifestyle, Finance and Education, Technology and Science, Adults and Entertainment. You can select the district that suits your purpose. You can click on the district and click on Visit, or you can use the mouse scroll. When you are in the selected district, you can see the description, the number of the lots, and the area that compose it. The units marked on the map are mega blocks, which are composed of blocks and blocks of lots. Each district is a considerable expanse of land, where you can see 6 different biomes: tundra, forest, savanna, jungle, plain, and desert. You will see that some mega blocks are not available. This means that they have already been purchased by another user. Click on the mega blocks of your choice. By clicking on the mega block, you will be able to see the blocks that compose it. You can also see the price of each one, the amount of lots, and the square meters. You can use the minus sign to return to the previous screen. Select the block of your preference. Now you can see the lots that compose the block you chose. You can click and navigate over them to see the area and the price in LNDA. Remember that 1 square meter is equivalent to 1 LNDA. You can select a lot and add it to the shopping cart. You can also select up to 300 lots per transaction. After selecting and adding your lots, click on the shopping cart. You will see the number of lots you have chosen, the area and price of each lot, as well as the total value of the selection. Verify and click on Buy. This screen will show you the transaction data. If you are sure, click on Continue. Now click on Connect Account to continue with the checkout process. Scan the QR code from your mobile device or click on Desktop to choose the wallet of your choice. Verify your purchase information and the amount to pay. If your wallet is MetaMask, the purchase will be made directly. In case it is Trust Wallet, the purchase confirmations must be made from your mobile device. Your purchase was successfully completed. Welcome to Landian.